she was married by Alfred Ehrman, and in 1940s they emigrated to France, to Elsass-Lotharingia area, to Colmar, and Janina died in Colmar in 1987. Her daughter Renata married by Zygmunt Hermanovich, and they had two sons. Marius Hermanovich was photo master, and he born in Holstein, and another Milos Hermanovich, who is living in Warsaw, and maybe he today is here, or if not yet, he will come at 2 o'clock. Milos Hermanovich, you are here? No, not yet. He is a journalist living in Warsaw, and when Marius Hermanovich was in Vilnius many times, he was a nice photographer and organized exhibitions. I met Milos in Vilnius and saved his contact. So the family of Domeyko is spread in around the world, about counting about 300 persons. We have contact with Paz Domeyko in Sydney, 87, his daughter Eliana in Barcelona, Maria Domeyko in Norway, and two in USA, Andres Domeyko in New York and Cecilia Domeyko in Washington, and of course in Chile. When we met with Leonora, when we visited Chile, Santiago during the conference January 2014, we met 9 descendants of Ignacy Domeyko, direct descendant. Ignacy Domeyko has his successor. They came from his son Casimir, because his another son Hernan was saint and later was a bishop of Santiago. And Anna Domeyko married his cousin. They had no children. Anna Domeyko and his husband Leon Domeyko are drawing at the Pogonsky Cemetery here in Warsaw, and one time we visited and got the flowers for this memory. And Kazimierz Domeyko was the direct, how to say, producer of this very, very big Domeyko family around the world. Okay, that maybe is not very well done, but we have really very nice and very interesting data, and I will leave it in the computer. This is my presentation with the photos, and please, you can use it as you wish. Thank you very much.